Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? It's Mark. So check it out. We have a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 5.3 liter. Beautiful setup here. Rough country brush guard front bumper. It's got brand new set of headlights in it, upper and lower. Beautiful set of BFGs All Terrains. Beautiful set of Pro Comp. 8-hole Pro Comp wheels. I forget the exact model, but whatever it is. These are a 285 75 16-inch tire with the white walls facing out. They look really, really nice. They do. It's got a leveling kit on it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna pull it out for you guys. Let me pull it out. Fit Customs WeatherTech or all-weather floor mats. New style key fob. Awesome setup here. Key tag. Bose sound system. The interior here is immaculate. Starting it up. Full exhaust system. AC blows cold. Heat works hot. Headliner's in great shape. 183,000 miles. Pull it on up and look at all the pollen on the windshield. Oh my goodness. Window down. I'll do a full walk around video for you guys. Let's check it out. Ready? Four-wheel drive works great. Door panels are good. Cab corners are fine. Look at this. Cab corners and rocker panels are great. Here's the underside of the truck. Here's the underside of this side. It's got surface rust, but honestly, we live in Virginia. What truck? People think you're crazy if you're going to say something that, oh, no surface rust, and it's a Virginia truck, and it's a 2004. Come on, get to reality, fellas. But suicide doors, back seat's fine. Let's go over the walk around the whole truck. Got a little dent right there. Got a little small ding in the fender flare right there. Remotely speaking, it's an awesome truck. Tinted taillights, LED taillights, side exit exhaust, left and right. Awesome setup here. I'm doing a quick video because it's a Saturday. I'm super busy today, guys, but don't mind that. Don't take offense to it because I usually do a full crazy video. You know that, all exhaust taking off, driving, but the truck's clean. It really is. Besides the pollen. Let's pop the hood and see what's under the hood. Boom. Bullet. Oh, one of my favorite style antennas. I gave my my BFF one yesterday. Awesome setup. Nice little antenna. Looks tough. 5.3 liter. 5.3 liter engine. Vortec engine. Cold air intake system. No ticks, tacks, sounds, nothing like that. Sounds good. And that's it. Hope you guys like the video. This is Mark. Stay tuned. And let's, I'll do another video probably Monday or some of this. Accelerating, driving, turning. But if you want to come in and check it out, come on and check it out. Rough country shocks. Cab corner on this side, passenger side. All right, see you later. This is Mark signing out with a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab short bed. See ya. Boom.